Remix is a powerful iteration tool that lets me use natural language to add, remove, or edit objects in an existing video. So here, I have a wide shot of a brutalist home set along the coast. After seeing it, I'm curious what this would look like if it was a mid-century home. So let me use Remix to achieve that. Clicking Remix opens the Remix editor where I can simply describe the change that I want to see in the video, replace the cement building with a mid-century home, and that change is pretty significant. So using the remix strength, strong makes a lot of sense here. If I wanted to maybe add a few trees, I could use mild, and it would preserve more of my original video. Now, if I wanted to do something even smaller, like maybe just remove the windows from my building, then I could use something subtle here. But for now, I'll keep it strong. We'll hit remix and see how it does. And here's what it made. You can see that through remixing that video, I've maintained the camera motion and the setting, but it's replaced my brutalist structure with a mid-century home on the coast. Et voilà!